There we go. Hello, Gangathy. We are now live. Let me send out my stream announcement. I should send the stream announcement like before I go live, but whatever, it's okay. There we go. Okay, sense, and I did not mess up the numbers on the thumbnail this time. For once. So what are we doing today? I don't know what we're doing today. I don't know what I'm doing today.
Give me 2 seconds. I think the main thing that we're doing is just cleaning things up and getting it ready for the demo. Or not demo. Yeah, demo, but also just like playtest update.
Oh yeah, playtest update. We wanted to do that. I did make a bowling ball card.
Okay.
It kind of works.
Okay.
I need to like make some adjustments, but there's a bowling ball. It's basically just a circular brick, but.
Hello.
Oh.
Hmm.
Hello.
I forgot about this.
Oh, is it helloing you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What did you do?
Yep, you were like, make it something obnoxious so you don't forget to do it. Yep, there it is.
This might be the worst thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, you didn't see it.
It doesn't do it for the ones in the menu, though.
Yeah, because those have the sound already.
Oh, okay. How do I open, like, the regular pause menu?
You can't.
Oh, okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It doesn't do it for, like, any of these either.
Well, yeah, because those don't have, like, focus ability because they're debug options.
Oh, yeah, okay. But this looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and I guess, you know what, fuck it. Try it on your thing. Can you add a card and then just hit the add all stickers button?
Add card.
Mm-hmm.
Add all stickers.
And then see what that looks like in the menu for you. Just want to make sure that it...
Mm-hmm.
It's not enough to scroll. If you add, like, I don't know if there's anything else to get it to scroll, actually.
I mean, it probably depends on the card, too. If I add, like, I think Salmon Storm has a
yeah,
lot.
Salmon Storm probably has more. Nope, somehow it's less.
I guess it's... Wait, yeah, because that's inaccuracy.
Yeah.
Yeah. What has more?
I don't know if there is anything that has more. Than just like a gun. I'd be very surprised if that did.
Probably the same. Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah. Just that'll have to be cleaned up. But if you make the window like shorter, it should introduce, like it should add the scroll.
What?
Right? Oh no.
No.
What? Why
Well, duh,
not?
because this isn't gonna stretch. Like the book thing, it wouldn't stretch.
Where the fuck is the scroll? Wait, I had this scrolling the other day. What the fuck? Something happened? Weird. Oh no, it's because I removed a thing. I remember. It was the God, what was it?
Size in hand from the negative
Size in
sticker.
hand. Yeah.
I think this looks really good though.
Yeah, and it like functions, which is
Yeah.
like the cool thing.
And the text over here looks better now.
Wrong button. Yeah.
Just need to get rid of like the floats.
Yeah, but what do you want that to be for the like? What do you mean?
For like these ones are like
Oh, like for
2.0,
inaccuracy and
yeah.
bounces and yeah.
Here,
Which,
oop,
can be
I'm gonna
done.
Close that. I wanted to show you the bowling ball.
What was I doing? What did I just try to do? I tried to open up the forge, and I spawned in the forge UI instead of the forge itself.
Hello.
I hate the
And that
sounds.
crashed me.
It's so annoying.
Yeah, that's the point, dude.
Bowling ball, where are you?
Oh, and that's gonna be at the bottom of the fucking list because it has all of the stickers on it.
I need to find a better sound for the bowling ball, but it works.
I guess I can add... This doesn't have multi-shot in the list of things, does it? Oh no, it does extra projectiles. Let me just add size and hand back.
Alright.
Just for card and size property.
I don't know if I ever actually tried a level with the bowling ball. Let's just try that.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, let me make my list of things that I need to do today, because there's quite a few things. Today is April 12th. Let me see, I'll just... Item drops in progression, I'll take a screenshot of... Oh no, I can open up both of these, duh, because Obsidian has that. Duh. Am I stupid or dumb? Alright, here we go.
I think this...
So...
Go ahead.
Cool. Sorry, what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, I think the bowling ball should only be... Oop, is this broken? Oh yeah, it is. I think the bowling ball should only be active if it's going over a certain speed.
Yeah, does it... Oh, you didn't give it the hitbox that does that?
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah, I think the brick has a hitbox that is like a velocity-based hitbox.
I'll check.
Also, those feel very low weight for bowling balls.
I can increase the weight. I was messing around with the physics.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if you go to brick,
Let me see.
it should have the hitbox on it should be...
Oh, min velocity? I didn't even know it was a thing. Oh, it's a velocity hitbox. I didn't see that.
Yeah. Because we wanted... I imagined that there would be a lot more thrown things. Which I guess there is now. You can just replace... you can go to hitbox component that you've got there, and you can just change type.
Oh, can you do that?
Yeah, right-click hitbox component, and then change type.
Oh. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We'll just do 300 since that's what the brick said.
Yeah.
The brick is always right.
And if you also turn on collision, it'll be red when it's active and not red when it isn't.
Okay.
Hello.
I think. I'm pretty sure, at least. So the
hellos
goal
are gonna
is...
kill me. They're so
Yeah.
annoying.
Or finish up playtest update. So the main things are... Wait, are they dealing damage at all?
No.
Why? That's weird.
I don't know.
Turn on collision. I guess not red, but... Why is it not? What does brick do? Does brick do something specific with it? Because I didn't think it would. Oh, that's funny, actually. I may be a little stupid. So velocity hitbox doesn't actually do the attack, I don't believe, it looks like.
Oh.
It just... Wait, is this the right thing? Yeah. Yes. What does the attack? I don't remember where the fuck this is. Oh, yeah, okay, I remember. Because... Yeah.
Wait, what is this doing?
So this just turns on and off the hitbox based on the velocity. It doesn't actually deal damage. The damage is something.
So
is
where's
the brick?
On the brick? Where's the damage coming from?
So the brick is a card attack.
Oh.
And that handles the damaging for it.
Oh.
Is the bowling ball also
so
a card attack?
I just need to give it the hurt box.
Yeah.
Okay.
You should be able to, and then
That's
should
so
do
weird.
it.
I did not know that was what that was doing.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I looked at this code, and this was before any of the component stuff that was retrofitted in. I honestly probably would rewrite some of
Before
this
you
stuff
knew
at
what you were
some point.
doing.
No, I still think this is a fine enough pattern, but I think that I like what we're doing otherwise better. Okay. List. So, UI changes.
Yeah, it's working now.
Which include I'm gonna put this towards the bottom of the list because I can do this off stream. I don't want to do UI for everything. Drop table. Room.
Maybe we make that like 200, 250.
Are we putting we're putting chests in the game currently? Yes, like locked chests.
Yes.
Okay.
So it'd be like Dungeon
Just-
where there's like a guaranteed number of them that just spawn in their own rooms, and then there's like a chance to drop one at the end of every room.
Mm-hmm. Does Gungeon ever drop locked chests at the end of rooms?
Yes.
Really? Damn. What are the chances that it's a locked chest?
I don't know.
Chest rooms. Guaranteed amount. Locked chest.
Oh.
Shop. I need tooltip when buying relic. I need extra item. Or like, what is it? Like extra item product purchase, like table or whatever. I'll just put table, which includes keys and hearts, probably. I don't remember exactly what all we had. I need to do the settings menu, the card collection, and I think that'll be it for this update. So let's start with a configurable loot thing. I guess the question is actually, will we be changing loot ever?
What do you mean changing
Or will
loot?
it- Like, so do I code this in such a way that it's like we have one loot table for all regular rooms, or is it like on this floor it's this loot table, and this floor it's this loot table, and so on?
Let me think.
At least for actually, no, sorry, you can think.
I'm thinking. We will probably
thinking
have
it.
different loot tables for different floors. I would assume.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not 100% sure. UI is Twitch recommending me furries? I don't know. Why are you telling us that? Shouldn't you be like eating pizza or whatever?
It's the only thing that this motherfucker knows is in Italy. It's just pizza.
Am I wrong?
They also have boats in that one city, I think.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's like I forget what it's called.
Like thin ice or some shit,
Yeah.
I think. Because I'm sorry, I'm still on the loot thing. I'm thinking maybe we can have just like a generic, this is your loot roll for like the actual thing that it spawns. Like if it spawns like a chest or whatever, and then once it decides to spawn something, we can have a loot for like what actually drops from it. But I don't know if we want to do that.
Could you just
I
like
also wanna make
repeat
this-
what you just said again, because I didn't hear any of it.
So like we can have like a generic, this is our chance to drop like these things on any room completion.
Mm-hmm.
And then once that actually drops, like let's say a chest drops, we can have a loot table based on what floor you're on inside of the chest. So the actual drop from the chest is based on the floor, whereas the chance to just have a chest drop is not based on the floor.
I think the opposite. I think there should be a different chest drop rate for each floor, and then at the end of the chest itself always has a consistent drop rate. So for example, in Gungeon, all the different chests actually coordinate to a item rarity type, and I'm pretty sure it's guaranteed that the chest will have that rarity or higher in it. So like the brown chest is like the worst one, and then there's the blue, I think it was blue-green, the big red one, and then the big black one with like the skulls on it.
Yeah.
Which I like a lot better, because then it's like, oh, you see the big rare chest and you know you're gonna get something really good from it, which makes like a lot more sense. So that way you can decide, oh,
okay,
this one's a big red chest, this one's a little brown chest. Well, I'm gonna use my one key and open the big red chest.
Yeah. Sure. I'm just thinking of how we want to set this up to do.
I also was
like,
looking for the loot tables for Gungeon. It is the same, where on the first floor it's like a 50% chance to get a brown chest, like a 25 to get like a blue, and like a 10 to get a green. It's like, I don't know if it's quite that high, but it's the really common chests are so common in the first couple levels, and then in like the last one, the super big chests are a lot more common. Let me just pull it up now, so I'm not just saying random numbers.
Yeah.
Let's see, chests.
I'm pulling up the. I'm also pulling up the wiki.
Well, I'm pulling it up first.
Okay.
That's not where it is. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Okay. So here, on floor 1, it is a 35% chance to get a D tier chest, a 32% chance to get a C tier chest, 20% B, 9% A, 4% S. And then on the last floor, there's a 0% for a D chest, 10% for C, 40% for B.
You don't have to read out all the numbers. But yeah, I see what you're saying.
I'm reading them out for the chat.
Well, yeah, you could just be like, it's a higher. Yeah, I don't know.
I like numbers, okay?
No, you
Let
don't.
me enjoy
Don't
my
fucking
numbers.
lie.
I love
Do
numbers.
not lie
I
to
love
people like
numbers.
that. You do not love numbers.
Okay, I was lying. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I don't actually like
So what
numbers.
are the chances for these fun chests then? 5% chance to appear in reward rooms after.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think a
Reward
lot of
rooms
these.
meaning.
What was that?
What does reward room mean?
That's like the chest rooms.
Just a chest room in general is just a. Okay.
Yeah. I'm guessing that it probably rolls these before it would roll the chest roll. So it'd be like, oh, there's a 5% to get a synergy chest. And then if you don't get one, then it rolls the regular chests. But I imagine that a lot of these are rare enough that like it's kind of hard to know exactly how it works without looking it up, or looking in the game itself. Which I don't know how they got these numbers, so.
Probably looking in the game itself, it's written in C#.
True.
Yeah, I mean, I think functionally it doesn't matter if they roll the chest and then see if it should be replaced with a synergy chest, or if they roll to see if they should be a synergy chest and then roll the regular.
I mean, yeah.
Functionally should be the same, but yeah. Okay, I can. I'm thinking about how to set this up in such a way that makes it easy for you to edit, because I don't want to just write everything in code. I don't think that's a good idea.
Yo, they got the lamb chest spawned by the Baba Lord Shrine in the Keepa, the Lead Lord, in the Chinese mobile version.
Oh, that's kind of sick.
That's kind of fire.
All right, I'm glad that we know about that.
That's good to know.
So question for you.
Yes.
Do we have any other chest versions right now?
I don't. Yes, we do.
We do.
You can just use those for now. I probably will redraw them. They're a little ugly, but.
So how does this? Oh, they're not exported their own textures, are they? I imagine. No, it doesn't look like it. That's okay. I can. I can separate these in Aseprite.
Sure.
I should really
They're
get a
kinda
standalone
ugly
Aseprite.
anyways, so.
Yeah, I
What?
should get a standalone Aseprite on my fucking Linux instead of using the Steam version.
Oh, using the Steam version? That's crazy.
Yeah, because it's just like, I was like, I don't feel like finding out what my Humble Bundle login is to find that shit again.
Wait, why do you get it on Humble Bundle?
Where else do you get it?
Itch?
I don't believe it was on Itch when I bought it. But maybe?
I doubt it, but okay. Oh, I completely missed Axel saying I'm eating pizza right now. My mic was in the way. I need to move my mic. My mic is like always in the way, no matter where I put it. Oh.
Wait, what? Where are the other chests? Oh, chest test 1. This is the one.
Yep, that's the one. Okay, that's slightly less in the way. I hate this mic. I have like the world's worst mic stand.
Really? I would like to counterpoint that.
Does your mic stand at least like stay in position?
Sometimes. Not all the time.
Mine is like for some, so it's weird. Instead of having like the springs, like I assume yours does, it has like an some kind of elastic thing that just goes through the entire thing. So it'll always try to pull it to the same tension. So if you like tighten it too much, the whole thing will just try to like straighten out. And I can't figure out how to like loosen the tension properly. Like I've tried it multiple times and it just like never loosens properly. I'll make sure there's a 1 pixel gap for outlines on it.
I'm gonna get them to the exact same size the other one is. Don't worry.
Alright.
Can I not tell them? I forget. I can't just like say, yo dog, I've got oh no, I can. It's 2 by 2. Oh, I need to be offset a little bit, like minus like 4 or some shit. Yeah, cool. And then I'm doing this the worst way possible, but I just want to make it easy to just drag and drop them.
Many such cases. I think
Yes, sir.
wait. You think you might have to delete the top part? Yeah, drag and drop.
Oh no, that's so fine actually. That's so fine. What the fuck is that?
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh shit, just the top of the chest. Cool. Yeah, I'll make this a different size, whatever. Plus 8. Do you fit there? You do.
I did not think about what I was going to do at all today. I was like, I was too focused on like fixing my mic some more and cleaning stuff up, and then I just forgot that I actually have to do stuff on stream, you know?
Only sometimes. You don't always have to.
Yeah.
I can't be writing cool shaders every day, unfortunately.
I also thought of getting some like some lights so I could maybe use my camera at some point, and then I realized that that would mean that I can't just like sit and watch TikToks while you do all the work. Which is a little sad.
Yeah, no, that's
so
not. Yeah,
I don't know
that's like
if
a deal
ever
breaker.
happening, yeah.
Where is so assets tile maps? It's under tile maps? No. No.
Don't
It's
worry
under assets.
about it.
Probably like
Don't worry about it.
we should just have like an objects or something, but I guess
We
this works.
do.
Room objects. Well, we don't. We have sprites, which describes everything in the game. And then we have inside of that room objects, which is fine, I guess. But
Don't worry
can I make a new folder? I can't make a new folder in Aseprite? Am I stupid? Oh no, I can. There's a button up there. Lol. Sprite.
Maybe we're
new
working on some more
folder.
content. We have the where's the to-do board thing? Biddy to-do board, as in both of us to-do board, but I decided to call it Biddy to-do board. me adjust the bowling ball some more.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Type shit.
Okay, how does this bowling ball look like physics-wise?
It's a bowling ball.
Oh, I see. I think it's doing
Something
some weird
about it.
stuff.
It's moving very fast. I
It's
feel like
doing
it should
some
like.
weird stuff when I because I'm inside of the platform here. Because it's a drop-through platform, so when I spawn it, like snaps to the top of it. That's really funny.
I feel like with the bowling balls, they should be like slower. I feel like and
A
like
little
hit
slower.
hard. Yeah,
Yeah.
like they just kind of like they arc through the fucking air and they just fucking wow. You got this, buddy. You can figure it out. I believe in you.
Yeah, I'm figuring it out. Don't worry. That's not gonna update, is it? Oh, I'm so sore today. My brother made me go to his stupid ultimate frisbee practice yesterday.
Hello.
Nah, poor you, man. So tragic. I'm sorry you had to put up with something like that.
It was awful. Like this?
Is there a way to tell Godot that whenever I move something by a pixel, I actually mean move this motherfucker by 4 pixels? Just globally? The answer is no.
No,
unfortunately.
no, there isn't. There we go. I think, yeah, you're right. That does look better like this. I think that also makes it, because I think before it was a lot like the brick where you could just like throw it up in the air at things.
Yeah.
But I think this kind of incentivizes like throwing it off to the side.
Yeah.
Because it also has very low
It
friction.
should definitely be like a lob or something.
Yeah, it has very low friction, so it can go pretty far.
Oh, that's fun.
It's because this is a drop-through platform here. It's hitting the side
That's
of it.
weird. What?
What? It's because its velocity is downward, and if the velocity is downward, then it'll hit the platform.
Shouldn't be. It should be based on whether or not the center is above the thing. Or it should be... Yeah, it should be based entirely on whether or not it's already cleared the hitbox of that. Like, let me spawn it. What's a drop? Do we have a drop through of anything? Or is it just, it's just in the levels? What room is a drop through that's good to go to? Room 1. The goat. Yeah. Let me turn
Room
it on,
1.
room
Like,
1.
Room 2,
This should be based on, like, whether or not all of the physics body has cleared the thing. It's like you can see that even though the player has downward velocity, I'm trying to think of a good way to show that I'm holding down. I'll pause the game whenever I stop holding down. So I'm not holding down anymore, and I keep falling through it, even though I should be interacting with it because the player's already cleared the, like,
I don't know.
the thing, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but like once the body passes like a pixel threshold, it no longer collides with the thing anymore. So I don't know why it's colliding with that. It's really weird.
But I do think they feel better now.
Okay.
Let me try the actual level with them. I also need to work on like the train animations and stuff. I don't know exactly how I want to have them set up though, so I have to think about that one a little bit more.
Ah, shit. I forgot. This isn't set up to use. This is set up for some weird shit. That's okay. I need to go into the fucking file system and edit this scene.
We need
I
another
think that'll
ground
be
enemy.
Huh?
We need another ground enemy.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, maybe the 20 damage wasn't like OP.
Does it bounce off enemies or does it go through them?
It goes through them.
Okay.
So you can like line them up and hit all of them.
Does brick bounce off enemies?
Yes, it does.
Do you promise?
I promise. That's not
That's a
brick.
gun. Yeah, because I loaded directly into.
I lied.
Brick bounces off enemies, I heard. That's weird. That's very weird.
Don't worry
Yeah,
about
no,
it.
this brick is. Yeah, no, this brick is definitely bouncing off of enemies.
It just
once
bounces
I
in like
can
the
find-
opposite direction, you know?
It doesn't.
Yeah, well, like it hits it and then it bounces. It like bounces and it
It
goes
didn't.
the other way.
No,
That's
it
bouncing.
doesn't. It wasn't bouncing.
Yeah, it bounced. It just didn't bounce like normally. It's like weird.
It went through it and bounced off the wall.
But yeah, it bounced off of it. Then when it went like bounced off.
No,
the
it
other
bounced.
side.
It bounced off the wall. It didn't bounce off the enemy. Brick doesn't bounce off enemies, brother. Why'd
It
you
literally
promise me
does.
that?
You're just making stuff up now.
Why'd
Look
you
at bounce.
promise me?
You can literally see it bouncing.
Brother, he promised me something and he didn't mean it. I feel betrayed.
It's over. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Temperakai Games is a terrible person. We all knew this was true.
True. I love how the bowling ball just destroys the eggs from the hive guy. They just disappear.
As it should. A bowling ball should 100% crush those motherfuckers.
Oh, another thing I was thinking of that I noticed when I was playing Neon Abyss is one thing we might want to have is see how when I'm in this corner here, at the corner of the map, there's like all this blank space.
Yeah.
Have like some sort of boundary,
Like a
map
border to it?
boundary. Yeah, so that way when you're up against the edge, it pushes the camera, so that way it only shows the actual part of the map.
We can try it.
I don't know how hard, like that would obviously be something you'd have to do, but I think
Yeah.
that would be.
Yeah.
Because that could also be nice, like, even here, like, when I'm just standing on the ground here, there's a lot of space down here.
Yeah.
Maybe only, like, the lowest points, but, I think that could improve the camera a bit.
Yeah, I can try that. I'll put it on a list. I'll put it on my today list, but it's not going to be done that today thing, probably.
Yeah, it's okay.
Map boundary camera. Because, yeah, I definitely wouldn't want that to be, like, a thing that we have to manually go in and set for each level, or at each room, because that would be maybe a little annoying and tedious if we ever change anything.
Not really, I mean,
On.
actually, we could probably... I'm trying to think. We have the
The
navigation...
camera has a boundary thing.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like, cameras just have a boundary thing and Godot built into them. I think you could just go into it and set that. But, yeah, no, I know what you're saying. Yeah, we have our navigation thing and we can set that
Yeah,
up.
so, like, there's the navigation here, and we could have something that could just be like, oh, at the lowest point here, at the highest point here, like, just draw a box around it. And the camera can't go past that.
We're already, I mean, that's not hard to do because we're already doing, like, let me tile navigation. I'm pretty sure, the navigation region.getBounds is literally already a thing that,
Oh, okay, cool.
like,
Yeah.
is the room is not like a, I'm trying to think of the question. It's not a tool script, is it? Navigation region is though. Like here, I'll toss you a bit of code really quickly.
Yeah. The only thing I was thinking is like there'll probably be certain rooms where like it could be more optimized if there was a like non-rectangle shape for it, but that would probably just add more complication to it.
Yeah.
Which we don't need. Because you already have way too many things to program. And I have too many things to draw that I'm not drawing. What if I did the bat right now?
Okay, yeah. Go into navigation region 2D. Or like the over on the far right, script on the navigation region.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down. Basically above the object order info class, or I mean you can do it fucking whenever, it doesn't matter, but just add a function _draw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have you write this code really quickly. I don't feel like pasting right now.
Mm-hmm.
If not engine.is editor hint return. And then draw rect. Get bounds. Comma color.red. Color's a capital C.
Color.
And then comma false.
Can I make it purple? I want to make it purple.
You can make it whatever you want, man. It doesn't matter.
Well, I want it to be purple.
And then actually also no, it's fine. Never mind. You're good. If you save that and then go back in and set the Z index of that up above 0. Fuck. Where's the
Huh?
Toggle the visibility of it. Turn it off and back on.
Whoa.
So that rectangle there is the bounds of the navigation region. So that's something that we already basically have access
sick.
to.
And then you just basically just set the camera bounds to that.
Yeah, pretty much. And that also gets rebaked. So if you actually hit rebake on that navigation region, I believe it should. Oh no, the exits are actually excluded from that. That's fine. Never mind. But there's a couple other things where if it's like we want to include the exits, or if we want to push the exits closer to the camera, we can expand the rectangle to envelop that.
Yeah.
But like just built into the navigation region, we have the ability to get bounds.
Okay, that's sick.
Yeah. All right, then you can reset the Z index, or you can leave it. It doesn't matter, and you can kill the function. Actually, reset the Z index. I don't want you committing that up.
Yeah. I mean, there's probably some simple way I could implement that now, but I won't. Although.
Yeah, probably don't.
What if I want?
I mean, you can if you want. Okay.
Just kidding. I don't know where to start with that. That's okay.
Where the hell am I? Oh my god, I don't know how to...
I love this little tiny,
oh my god,
little tiny polygon in here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It actually means a lot. Because that means that's like a valid position. So anything inside of those polygons are valid positions, specifically.
Yeah.
So like it doesn't need to take up the whole space.
I still don't know what any of these
Where
items are
is-
gonna do. I need to figure that out.
Any of them? I don't know what the fuck the salmon's gonna do.
Oh, that
That's
one. I don't know if I like that one because I just stole the art that I made and rotated it. Oh, I think it was going to like on when like you hit an enemy or something like that. There's like a chance for it to spawn a salmon.
Oh, like beehive, but
But salmon. Yeah.
what salmon? Is it 60? Yeah. I love editing animations by the code.
What are you doing?
I had to move the sprite of the chest down 3 pixels And the animations edit the position, so I had to go in and edit every frame of the.
Oh, it's because I did the funny
I-
thing where I didn't set the. You could have just set the.
Correct.
You could
yeah.
have set the pivot and then.
No, because
Although I guess it's
I don't want to
rotating
remake
it
the
too,
animations. I'm
so
not
you'd have
remaking the
to-
animations. Ain't doing that shit. That should use the new sprite.
Can you guys tell he
Not-
isn't an artist?
Because why? What do you mean?
Because he doesn't want to mess with animations. This guy hates art.
Animations are like the one part that I like don't hate. What?
Well, then why don't you remake the animation?
Because I don't want to. I don't want to sit there and remake the animation because I got something more important to do.
See, hear that? He's
Can
not
you
an
guys tell that
artist.
he's an artist
He's not a
because
real
he
artist.
is trying to get me distracted instead of being productive?
Yeah, I'm not being
Yeah.
productive. I genuinely don't know what I'm doing right now.
No, genuinely so fucking real. Why is this invisible on start? Does the reset have this motherfucker invisible, I guess? Oh, because it's the spawn animation. I see. If not, get tree dot paused. No, if paused, then I want to animation player dot play reset. I think that's what I want to do.
Oh, we still need to add crits. I keep forgetting about that. Like, actually in the game, like, playable.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to add a relic or something that does that, or if
Well,
you just
I
want to
mean,
add
like,
it to things.
Yeah, like, by default, things should have a chance to crit.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know how you set that up, because I started doing
What do
it
you
and
want
then
it to
changed
be? Do you want it to be everything by default has a chance to crit, or do you want it to be per, like...
I think, yeah, by default, like, maybe on the card, there's a crit chance that is just a default
we can
number,
also-
and then we can change it individually, and then we could also have modifiers that change that.
Because if we want it to be just like any attack the player does has like a, by default, 10% chance to crit, we can set that on the player, and then on the cards, if we want them to have a lower or higher chance, we can add that as like a modifier to it.
Maybe. I was thinking it would just be on the card, there's like a default amount, and then you can change that.
I mean, we can.
And then like items can adjust the universal amount, and then stickers could adjust the individual amount.
Yeah, I mean,
So
if
like
you want to do that, we
I think
can.
yeah, I think the cards makes the most sense.
Then, recommended place for that probably be the... either the init method or the from card method of card instance.
Okay.
That's at least what I would think of.
The init, or what was the other one, from card?
Init or from card. I actually don't know if we're using init in card instance. We are not. It would probably be from card. You would just add like a... You would probably just add a crit modifier to
We
it.
don't have a crit in here already.
No.
Okay.
Well, it's a property.
Yeah.
So you would just do like util dot add component. Like I think it's called like crit chance property dot new, and then
Oh, I
the
was thinking it would
card.
just be like a default thing, like damage
No.
or
Nope.
no.
Nope.
I mean that we already have a bunch of those. Why would we just add another one?
Because we don't need it to be a thing, because crit chance is like a... Instead of modifying... Like, it's already set up that if anything, any attack that's done has a crit chance attached to it, it rolls the crit chance for us.
Oh, okay.
So, like, all you have to do is add, like, the property there that you want.
Okay. So util dot no.
I think set component is what it's called for
Yeah.
the.
And this would be on instance.
Oh, let's see. So the
Critical
chest
chance
has
property.
Yeah. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put you on screen. I really have to use the bathroom,
Alright.
so I'll be right back real quick.
Good luck. I have no clue how this works, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Good default. You guys set this to a variable. It's a crit chance. Equal. Oh, that doesn't work. What is this doing? Okay. What is this? I'm so confused. That's okay. I genuinely have no clue what this is doing right now. And I don't know how to set it up. Let me look. Hello.
Okay, I'm back.
I have no clue what this is doing. Or
What's up?
what I'm supposed to do with this.
What
What
does
does that component do?
That's just a property. So you do .new off that,
Oh, okay. That new?
like .new off of critical chance property.
Oh, I see. Here.
And then if you want it to have a default, or actually, bring that out to a variable.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And then you should be able to do crit chance dot multiplier.
Oh, on here.
Like next. No, between those two lines.
Oh.
I don't know why you declared a new variable. Though.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't.
That's okay. It's so fun to try to read this code as it's happening on the 720p.
Is equal to set it to like default like 0.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And I think that technically should be it. Yeah, that should be fine.
I hate how
actually, if you wanna
everything's a
try that.
multiplier, even if it isn't a multiplier.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean.
That's okay. So would this just? Is there anything
Should.
else that this was work?
No, I think that should just work.
Okay.
If I coded it right, which I think I did. Because I tried this with the player before, just adding in like crit chance to them or to the card.
Hello. Hello.
That's so annoying.
Yes, sir.
I'll change it.
Uh-oh.
I'm adding it to the instance. Is that what should I be adding it to?
It should be, yeah. Does that not? Hold on, let me think for a moment. Why does that not? Let me look at card instance. What is card instance doing? Oh, this is doing something with base property, isn't it? Yeah. Base property. It's doing like reset properties, I think. No. Yes? Can you do me a favor? And actually, I can recreate what you've got there, and I'll just look really quickly. Because I thought that would just work, and I'm kind of surprised that it isn't. Let me also turn your screen share off, so I'll just get dot multipliers equal to 0.1. Zero. Zero?
Zero?
Zero. Zero. Is it because of this thing? Recalculate multiplier. Oh, I see what's happening here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do me a favor then. So you can kill line 91 for you.
91, okay.
Mm-hmm. And then go to critical chance property. Like the actual class.
Okay, here.
And then change that default multiplier there.
Okay.
And then you should be able to save and add a new card to your hand. I think it'll update in real time, hopefully.
Whoa.
Hooray. And if you want a card to remove or to have a lower crit chance, you can remove from the amount. Like you can do like minus like 0.05 or something.
Is there a way I could just have that like in the card resource? Like if I just wanted to say AK and just be like, oh, I want the crit chance to be like 20%. I mean, that's why I wanted to put it in the default card instance thing, so I could just have it in here. Just like the regular stats.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could add it to that if you want. Yeah, you can just do it the property or the in the card way if you want to do the export variable. Because I was, yeah.
And that's
yeah.
like
I don't.
way you want to do that. But...
I have something that would be nice, but it doesn't matter as much, and I'm not gonna tell you to hold off on that before and let me do the thing.
Okay. I just need to remember how I have all of these set up, but I don't think it's complicated.
Yeah, you can just I don't think you actually need to do anything particularly interesting.
The main thing is just set it. Where do I set this since it wasn't working to set it here? Because normally I would change like instance.crit chance is equal to card.crit chance.
Yeah, so you're gonna add a new crit chance variable on the card if that's what you want to do to have it like editable through the thing, and then
Yes, on the card. But what I'm saying is like if I change it here
to roll
and
it
set
for,
it
like, the
here,
health
it
or
would
something.
it would break because when we tried setting it here before, it got reset.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna need some changes, I think, for it to.
What is?
Oh god, let me think actually for a second. How are the modifiers working in the card? I might actually have you do the other way, actually.
Okay.
Just because you would need to, there would need to be changes made for the
Yeah, either way, stuff will probably need to get changed.
Where the fuck are the? There's no other usage of modifier in here. Oh no, I guess there is. Weird. Sorry, I might just write this
That's okay.
really quickly.
Yeah. I will find something else to work on, I guess. Hold up, I just have a cool card idea. What if we had like a X cost card that made it that you just shot out like a certain number of projectiles in random directions based on how much mana it cost?
Ooh,
So
that's
basically
actually
just
pretty
use
cool.
up your entire bar to just like shoot out stuff
Just like a
everywhere.
barrage or some shit.
And maybe they'd like bounce as well.
That's actually kind of sick.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry.
We'll say like yeah, X cost that shoots out projectiles everywhere based on how much you paid. Did I export all the card art or not card item art?
Did you say did you or should you?
Did I?
I don't know. I just sent you a couple of things of code. That should be, I think, what you need.
Grr. Okay.
Okay, my fault. Sorry. Sorry for party rocking, brother. Let's see. So let's make a chest loot drop thing. How do I want to do this actually? What the fuck is excluded? Oh, never mind.
Card instance. 279.
It might be off a little bit. It's just at the end of that function.
Okay, you're wrong. It was actually 282.
Yeah, because you added a couple of lines of code.
I hate how it does this.
I think you can fix it if you like highlight it all and then do edit,
Highlight it
indentation, convert indent to
Oh,
tabs.
like this.
Yeah, it's up in the top under edit, convert indent to tabs,
Top.
edit. It's
Edit.
looking anywhere other than the Godot window was crazy. By the way, going over to your Twitch chat on the left was insane.
I didn't, did I?
You went past the window, yeah.
Oh, well, that was just, I was looking at the...
Yeah.
Wait, which one do I want? Indent.
To tabs.
Yeah, there we go, I got it.
Yeah.
Critical modifier. Oh, is that... Wait.
The other block of code that I sent you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, is that not a thing that exists? I have to make that, okay.
Yep.
I missed that part. That's okay.
Oh, wait, what is... Oh, shit, chests are gonna be dropping something completely different now, right?
What do you mean?
What do chests drop? What are we gonna make them drop? Because currently we're spawning a chest every room,
Yeah.
and that's why it's dropping a card or a relic, and then the extras. What are they doing now? Like, because in Gungeon, it's like one chest drops either a gun, and the other chest drops like a accessory, I think they're called in Gungeon.
I'd say probably just items and maybe... Yeah, I forgot that, like, cards are different than, like, Gungeon.
Yeah, like where are cards gonna drop? I wonder. I don't think we have that in our list of...
We could just have that you get, like, a card at the end of every room.
Slay the Spire style.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Although I feel
Yeah,
like...
we'll see.
I don't know if we have enough cards to really work, but...
Probably not. We'll see.
But we could probably try that. Yeah, I think that would probably work. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Snake chest boot table.
Although we might just want to have it like, if we did do that, just have it automatically like pop up the card select rather than drop like a pack. Because
Automatically popping it up feels like it maybe be a little like jarring.
Maybe.
You kill an enemy and then just instantly. I'm not sure how.
I feel like that because then you could like save the packs for later, which I guess is not bad, but like,
Yeah.
or we could pull a Gungeon and have something that like steals items if you don't pick them up.
Good. I'm not sure though. I definitely think that if we did something like that, I wouldn't want it to be like an instant the second like an enemy dies. I think it should be maybe
Yeah.
a pack spawns, and then it like whenever you get hit with something that gives you dazed and gun or in Slay the Spire, how it like pops up on the screen and then it like flies into your deck. It kind of does that, and then the pack flies into you, or something.
Maybe. I think I'll have to think about that one. I'm not sure. Oh, hello. Thank you for the raid.
Like tiny
Arburning.
questions like that.
Or arboring. I can never pronounce people's names. It's like, I just need to stop trying.
Arboring like trees?
No, it's R-B-U-R-I-N-G.
Yeah, like trees.
Like trees, yeah. Yeah, like trees.
Yeah, like trees.
How are you doing? Are you also game
I'm doing
dev?
good.
Or, I wasn't talking to you. Shut up.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
You also game dev or artist? If you're an artist, like, that's a lot cooler, but I'll take game devs as well, you know?
So we want
Mm-hmm.
chests to only drop relics, right? Like that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, I think so.
So would it just be like a minimum rarity for the chest?
Yes.
Okay.
So there'd be one that would drop common, one that would drop
I see.
rare, one would drop the legendary or whatever we're calling it. And then they could also have a chance to drop like an additional key or money or hearts if we want. That's up to you though.
Yeah. I guess I must. Let me just code shit and then I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Because I also want there to be an easy to edit way of like because there's the chest loot itself and there's also like the chance of what chest to drop and then like you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I could go crazy with the thing that I just thought about, I think.
Does the crit modifier, does it default to like, or whatever it is, does it still default to 0.1? Oh, I guess it does because it's
Are you still creating the crit chance property?
no,
Or
what?
did you get rid of that? Did you get rid of the crit chance property thing that
I think I
that was
might
there?
have, yeah, I think I did. Did I need that?
okay, that's yeah.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Don't worry about it. There you go. Okay,
Oh
so
wow, that's way higher than
that's because I said it
or
to
did you-
50%, yeah.
okay.
Crazy, I know.
You set it to 50%, so it's
Yeah.
up to like 60 now.
Yeah. Okay, and then on here it's like a lot less. Okay, sick.
Yeah, and then I think you should also be able to set it to like a like if you did like minus 0.1, I think that would just make it so it has no chance of critting. Hopefully.
Yeah. I think that was the only thing is that I didn't really like is how the default is set like in the property itself. So when you add it, it like automatically has 0.1.
Mm-hmm.
But that's probably fine. Thinking. I was gonna say something. Game looks cool, thank you. It is a real-time deck builder. So, I'll just play the game. Why not? I love playing my own game. So essentially it's like a action roguelite, whatever you want to call it. Which one are we calling it? Which one is it?
It's a roguelike.
Okay, roguelike.
With a K.
With a K. With a K. But play cards instead of hitting things. Well, I mean you still hit things, but you use the cards to hit things. And then on like a traditional deck builder, as you can tell, it is not turn-based. We've been working on it for about 2 years now. So we're working on getting a demo ready for an event next month. So that's fun. I still need to add a crit sound. Do we have a... I'm thinking. I think right now the damage sound is on the enemies. Which I might get rid of and put it... Nah.
What is that?
I don't know where I want it.
Oh, it's a string. Fine. That was way cooler than I thought it would be. Hi, sad face. Hi, happy face. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? Jasper. Let's see. Is there a thing that I can do?
This is some beautiful test text here. It looks
Is there?
great.
I needed a lot of text to see if how it looked with a lot of font. With a lot of font. With a lot of text.
With a lot of font.
Mhm.
Also probably want to just have it have like a blank background on here. Or at least like faded a bit when you pause. I mean obviously
Oh,
it's not
yeah.
done yet, but
Yeah,
just like
yeah.
faded out the background. Make it a little darker. Maybe like maybe the background kind of fades and then the binder book or whatever we're calling it just like slides in. Like it kind of comes up from the bottom and like rotates in maybe. I don't know how UI animation works, so I'll let you figure that out. Because you love animating, right? Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think I'll keep the... I'm trying to think, I don't know if 10% is a good default. Maybe it should be 20%. That feels too high.
Ah, shit, this won't work. I shouldn't do that. Bad. Very
Well,
bad
we'll
move.
compromise. It'll be 15%.
What do you mean we'll compromise? Who are you compromising with? Yourself?
Yeah? Is that a problem?
Yeah, it's weird. You're weird.
Yeah? I love Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is the best.
Let's see. Loot. Loot. I don't know why the fuck I typed Lotta. That was weird.
I don't know either.
I think it's because I got rid of an O in loot and then started typing table. Yeah, weird. And just didn't do the underscore. What if I played Dwarf Fortress right now? I was actually thinking about like having Dwarf Fortress up on like my side monitor and just like
You're
running
like
over
so
something, just
evil.
like, well, because like you don't
I
really have to do a
guess,
whole
I
lot with the game.
guess.
You just kind of like leave it running.
I guess, bro.
They're just dwarves, man. Until like something happens. Last night I was playing the game and I got raided by a fire demon. And
kind of
the
fire.
game, it was actually not kind of fire. It was a lot of fire. So this is what he looked like. He wasn't very cool. In fact, he was the opposite. But he was a fire demon. He was a
Hello?
humanoid composed of flame.
Why is my video vision
And,
not working? Hold up. Give
Let me
a
know
second
whenever you're
here.
looking.
I mean, I'm looking, but
Yeah.
my biddy vision is broken.
Yeah. Any such bitty vision. Got this, man. I mean, I'll just go back to Godot while you're doing that. While you're figuring that one out.
There we go. I got it.
You got... Okay. So he looked like this.
Whoa.
And so do you see all of the
Mhm.
the fucking puff of whatever? So that's smoke. And Dwarf Fortress does this thing.
Why is the smoke like all disconnected? That's not what smoke looks like.
So it actually simulates the smoke. So the less like there is in a tile, the less smoke there is, and then it will disperse to other tiles. And
Doesn't-
also, what?
Doesn't look very realistic.
I need you dead. And also because he's made of fire, everything he touches goes up in temperature, and Dwarf Fortress actually simulates the temperature of everything on the map. So the game, which normally runs at about 150 updates a second on my computer, crawled to a fucking stop last night. And I mean a stop. I mean, it dropped to the point where it would take multiple seconds to run a single in-game tick, which was insane. So I actually had to go in and use cheaty tools to just like destroy him because
cheater.
The game
Cheater
was
alert.
not playable.
Cheater alert.
Yeah, the game just wasn't playable at that point. Not even because like, oh, he's so evil, whatever. It's just I couldn't let it go. It just wouldn't. I even closed and reopened the game, and it still just was like chugging.
I need to see if I can add a video vision button to my Stream Deck.
So these are the chests. What if I? That's fine. Tables.
Did I export the silly hat? No, I didn't. I always forget, what size am I exporting these as? No, these are all 16. Wait, or is it 24? It's 24, right? Yeah, 24. I forgot what size I was exporting the all the items as. I'm pretty sure it's 24.
Do you know you can hold space while you're making a selection and move the selection around?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just like dumb and don't do it.
I mean, that's fair. Does this return true or false? Should set the property to value and return true, or false if it should be handled normally. Sick.
Thank you for the follow. I don't know who that was. It's not showing up as a notification for some reason. I just heard the sound. Okay, I need to remember how relics work.
Where the fuck did I put this at? I'm like, I feel dumb. Oh, here it is. Found it. Got it.
Let's go.
Wait, no, I'm stupid. Your favorite furry Bitlytic is back? Brother,
Let's go.
I'm not a furry.
Alright, bro.
I just have a really cool mascot for the channel. Is all.
Yep, this is true.
Alright, listen here, you motherfucker with hands. You got
I don't
hands
got
all over your
hands.
fucking thing. You got hands all over yourself. Why you got
Not
so many
true.
damn hands? What am I doing? What do I want to do with this? How do I want this to work? What do I want this to do? Chest, loot, table. Minimum rarity, I'll just here. Chest. Sprite. Or not chest sprite, that's a texture 2D.
I love all of the names for the the relic scripts. None of them are at all what the relic actually is.
Sometimes they are.
We got attack speed relic. We got increased sticker slots relic. We got mana tier, whatever that does. Got mana
maximum mana.
charm.
That's mana regen.
So they aren't the name of the actual item, and they aren't what it does. So they're just like.
Because I was like, what do you want it to be named? And I'm pretty sure you were like, I don't know. And I was like, all right, dog. Then I'm naming it whatever the fuck I want.
Yeah, it's still really funny.
And I named it after what made sense to me.
Yeah.
Because it makes sense to me. Sometimes. Should call this loot instead of table. I guess maybe potentially. I don't know.
I just realized on level changed on a lot of these. Oh, I guess it has the amount. Okay. So here, if it was added, it would add 50, and if it's removed, it would remove 50. Okay.
No, I don't believe. I believe on level changed amount is the amount of level that it is total.
Oh, okay.
I believe maybe
So-
not. Actually, I don't remember. I'll be honest.
Cool. I'm looking.
Or no, amount is the amount it has changed by. A lot of them don't use that amount variable. They just reference level, I think,
Okay.
or something.
We just want to make sure that like, because I would imagine on level change triggers when you add and remove.
Yes.
So we wouldn't want it to like do the same thing when you remove it as it does when you add it.
Yeah, I
But
think what I did.
We can keep
yeah,
it
you
in
can
and see
see
if
here,
people find any
like,
funny
for,
bugs.
like for this one, it doesn't actually
Hold on, let me
use
see.
the amount here.
Yeah.
It's inside of update properties. It references the level directly so that it
Yeah, I see.
like
Okay.
overrides it.
But
with
for
the
example,
current
on
one.
here, I'm making just for fun. I wanted to see if I could make an item that adds a random sticker to every card.
Mhm.
But I wouldn't want that to trigger if the level goes down. So I'd want to be like if amount is greater than 0.
Is it every card from henceforth, or is it every card?
Every card like currently in your deck. So it just triggers when you pick it up.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm thinking about something. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna test something because I'm worried now.
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. Do you think the level change is different than I'm thinking?
I've just got things I'm thinking about. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. I'm worried about it.
Why are these not ordered in alphabetical order? Weird.
I'm trying to think. I thought I had something that added a random sticker. Oh yeah, the if I go to
um. Yeah, I might have to have you make a teensy tiny change. But
oh,
it's
okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Don't worry about it.
does it return the level, not the amount that it changed?
No, so it does. So whenever you add, when you add it, it does level change by 1, level change by -1. But if I load into the level, it passes in 4 because it has to reset up the relics because the player doesn't exist and it has to know that it's been updated. But that's okay because there's a way to get around it,
Okay.
and it's not even that bad.
Well, this might actually
But
just work. I might have made this work. The relic that I'm working on, I might have gotten it to work in like 2 seconds, which would be really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, the only problem is if you were to add it and then like go to the next floor, it would add the stickers to the card again, which is a problem.
Is that part of the bug that Axel found where you could infinitely increase Nana? Okay, no.
Kind of, but no. That was certain stats weren't being reset when they should have been.
Oh, I don't think I actually set up the relic properly. Hold up.
Oh my god, that actually makes me so happy to look at. Fucking seeing you put like the I don't even know if you've ever used that method, but just like has open sticker slot, you're like, okay, dude,
No,
that's
I looked
just like
that up. I was just like, there's gotta be something with stickers. I was like, I was going to be like max stickers minus like the number of stickers.
It's a thing.
Like, oh, okay.
Yeah,
no,
I was like,
that was really nice.
Yeah.
Rare bitlytic W.
Dude, what the fuck?
We'll make this one legendary. Why not? I love the items. The items system is so great.
It is. There's a couple of oddities about it, but
one of
it's
my
like
favorite
pretty
things
damn
to
good.
work on is just adding items because it's so easy. Perfectly cut off biddy. Hello.
Help! What am I doing?
Chat, he's
what was I
animation
doing?
Canceling. Help.
Nope. You can't stop it. That's my wave dash sound. That's my jump sound, and then it gets canceled by my air dodge.
It just worked. Look at that.
Nice. All right. I'm gonna kill your mind. Do Shift R L S and then load into flesh. Or level select. And then take a look at your cards. They have extra stickers on them? Question mark? Yeah.
That's fine.
That's okay. So here's how you can fix that. So, nice description. So if you go into your code, where you're adding the level, you're doing the on amount changed or on level changed.
Yeah.
So if you override the function register signals.
Here.
Mm-hmm. And then do relic dot level changed, then you can do .connect and then change the function name up there to whatever you connected that to there.
Oh, so change this. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, to like on update or something.
Yeah, because the on level changed is like, yeah, on update will be fine. Because that signal itself is actually only emitted whenever the level changes. And then the base relics function on level changed is called
Okay.
both
Okay,
on creation
I
and
see.
updating. I'm alive sometimes.
Or maybe I call this like on create or something, since it only is when it's created, not like when it gets updated. I like that. better.
It should be when it's updated.
Well, I mean like whenever you create a new one is what I'm saying. Just like in the sense of
It's
you
only-
get a new one.
Yeah, if you get another one, it would add another sticker
Yeah,
because the
exactly.
levels changed.
Yes. What I was thinking is, well, I mean, the phrasing you were using was like on update included the when you load into a new level, because it's like updating it.
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter, but I
Yeah,
like
it
this
doesn't.
better.
But yeah, and that
There's
should
probably something
actually
better we can
only
do, yeah. But
update. Hopefully.
Hello.
hello.
Yep. He doesn't even know which one's me.
Which one is real?
Real or Fake?
Uh-oh. Oh, I need to, I didn't... This doesn't, pass in the amount, does it? Or wait, no, this should. Wait. Yeah, why did that not
Should.
work?
Is there an error in your debugger?
Probably. No?
No. Did you add the relic after the... oh, wait, no. Why are you doing if amount is greater than 0? I don't know what the hell that is, but it shouldn't
So like
matter.
if the level... So that way if you remove one, it wouldn't trigger it again.
Sorry, what does that code say? I can't read it.
This here?
Yeah.
It's just if amount is... Oh, it's saying it should be return. I'm stupid. I don't
This
know
should also
what that
be
means.
less than 0 because -1 is it means the
Oh,
lost
yeah.
level.
Yeah, you're right. I'm a little dumb.
But I still don't know why.
Let me just see if this works now. Okay, yeah, now it's working.
It didn't work before.
Yeah, it didn't work before. I think it was because...
Oh! I know what's I know what happened.
Also, I'm noticing that it lags significantly when I open
Yep.
up the menu with all these stickers.
Mhm. Yeah. That's something that I'll fix. So I know one thing that's happening. Shit. Hold up, I might be like the wrongest motherfucker in the world. Give me a second. That's annoying, I think.
What is?
Hold
What
on.
did you do?
So I know what's happening there. Is whenever... So if you were to clear... Oh, no.
See,
Oh, no,
it
it's not
doesn't
gonna
do
do
anything
anything.
because
They're all-
it'll max out.
So... this is something I didn't expect. So the problem is that it only emits the signal once the level goes... Like, once it actually gets modified.
Mm-hmm.
So since it's being created, it's the level it starts at 1
Oh,
and
I
it doesn't be modified.
see.
It's not modified to 1.
Yeah. I mean, couldn't I just... I'm thinking, wouldn't... I guess this isn't like an actual node, so it wouldn't have a ready? Or does it?
That is a node, but the...
I mean, I could literally just say on ready, just create,
Almost.
uncreate, call that.
No, because whenever the player loads into a new level, it would be the same issue as before.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a sec to think about this,
Okay.
because I can... that work? Does that do something weird? Let's find out. Also, sorry. Videos helped me so much when you started learning Godot, and even now, thank you. No problem. No problem. They will happen again. There will be... What the fuck is... Oh, there's an add random card button. I forgot that was a thing. That kind of like jump scared me a little bit.
Yep.
Fuck. Hold on. You can keep doing whatever you were doing. It'll be a little change from me that I'll just send your way in a second. Or I mean, you can also just do whatever you were gonna do anyways, and then I can just push this off with changes whenever it happens.
All right. Okay. But hey, I got another sticker, another card already. It's really easy. I literally, in the loot box item, it does a similar thing where
gambling one,
yeah,
slot machine.
No, the loot box
No?
item.
Oh, okay.
It adds a random card with 2 stickers on it, so it's just like I just take the code that adds the random sticker, so then I just pasted it here. And I needed like these 2 lines was to like go through the cards and see if it has an open sticker slot. Then everything else just worked. Sick. Which that will be the silly lollipop, and that also add random sticker to every card and pick up. Okay. Do we have an easy way to modify the soul cost? Like, is there like a property for that or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you? What do you mean? Like, what do you want?
I want to have an item that reduces the soul cost of like a specific item type. So like,
yeah,
reduce the cost of all summons, reduce the cost of all weapons, things like that.
Yeah, you should be able to. I think. Probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can't be that hard.
Yeah.
Probably take like 6 or 7 minutes to do, you know?
Alright, buddy. We need you dead, I think.
Trying to think what those items would be. I feel like they'd all be similar. I should just make them magic colored crystals.
This feels gross and is probably wrong. We'll see if it does anything weird. Why does that say 2? Oh, because I added 2. No, I didn't. Fuck.
Rip. It's over.
Arcs? My goat?
No follow alert.
No follower. Yeah.
But he has like no alerts whatsoever. He will literally get raided and it'll take him like 10 minutes to realize, and then by that time everybody has left.
Is there?
Then I have to tell him that he got raided because he wouldn't notice.
Well, because I'm like,
tell him.
because like I'm looking here. I'm looking at. I pointed at my screen as if people could see it. I'm looking at the code.
Yeah, you can literally set it up so it like plays a sound. It's so easy to just set it up so it plays.
No,
a
okay.
sound
Imagine. Okay, imagine this. Imagine.
It's so.
I'm
simple.
at the. Imagine I'm like eight levels deep in the stack of how this thing works, and I'm like on the fucking cusp of like, oh, my brain has this working, and then a follow alert goes off, and all of a sudden, all of those like bits of information they're just like wiped away.
It's terrible. Chat is more important than code.
That's crazy. maybe true.
Also, who's
Probably
Arcs? Should I know Arcs?
Who's Arcs? What the fuck? That's crazy. That's evil.
What?
You don't know Arcs?
No.
Do you know the dinosaurs that I use in my videos?
The dinosaur? Is this the dinosaurs guy?
Yeah, that's dinosaurs guy.
Wait, that's tough.
Yeah, these guys.
We love dinosaurs,
Arcs.
guys. Hold up, and then you don't add all your things.
At least
Hold
that's
up.
like that's
tough.
like what you probably know him the most.
That's
Yeah,
tough. Tough alert.
I make you sound famous.
You are famous.
I mean, like, kind of. Like, I'm fairly certain if I were to go to itch and then look at like top free assets, I'm fairly certain that yours comes up like
Arcs,
very,
can I
very
get an autograph?
like very high up. Let's see. I'm
Can I
just
get a
scrolling
signed
and
copy
Control
of
F.
the dino assets?
Yeah, like here. Like here's like the top popular assets on itch, and there's Sproutland, you know, of course. And then it's like Arcs is down. There's Sunnyland, that's another very popular one that I know. And then here's Arcs's. It's like you know, it's still very popular. I mean, the sprites are like perfect for what I need, so they're like really popular to me, but let's see. That's a problem-ish. Pikmin 1 and 2, but Pikmin 3. What was the fucking song that what was the song that Northern Lion was doing a parody of? It was like a Wii song.
I don't know.
Ninja Gaiden 1, Ninja Gaiden 2, Ninja Gaiden 3. Da-da-da-da. You know, that one. I
Oh,
love
yeah,
Northern
yeah,
Lion.
yeah.
He's so funny
I know
and
which
cool.
one you're talking about.
Yeah. Base Relic. See, you're a problem, buddy. You're such a problem.
You should replace me with Arcs for the artist for Dante Sign.
Oh, no, hold on. Oh, you know what, Arcs? You're an artist. You'd probably like appreciate this. All artists are the same, right? Right, JW? Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the laser pointer. Whoa, it looks so cool, right? Hold on. Sorry, weird sound outside. And then if I add bouncy ball, bouncy laser, and if I add more bouncy ball, more bouncy laser, and then prism, makes it go to the fucking moon. That wasn't prism, but
Whoa, that's so cool.
whoa. And then if I add is it caffeinated brew? Is that the inaccuracy? Yeah, let's add a new laser so it's not as egregious.
Yeah, this is like the one cool thing he's made. Everything else sucks.
That's true.
I'm just kidding.
What's the op
he's
look like
goated.
again? I don't remember.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, the new op tracer. I
Oh,
missed
yeah.
the old one. Because I coded it.
Yeah,
I
I didn't like it.
still.
It was like half pixel perfect. It like wasn't quite. It was like kind of pixel perfect.
Why do you sound like that, dude? Also, I can make the worms wiggle around while I'm spawning them in. Where are they? Worm. Whoa.
Wait, place it on like the side so you can see it when you're paused.
What do you mean? Oh no, I removed that.
Oh, you removed that? Oh.
Yeah, I removed
That'd be really funny.
the flaccid worms.
When you would pause, they just fall over.
Yeah, I made them also be affected by gravity for like funsies, and I forgot to remove it. So if you paused the game, the worms would go flaccid. I'm so happy that I took like an evening to add the debug, like spawn any scene that you want anywhere.
Yeah.
It literally changes so much about like being able to debug. What do I want to do with this? I'm putting this on the back burner. I can't think about this right now, sorry.
That's okay.
Relic updated, or relic created signal or something like that. It's the first time it's added.
I need to figure out what I'm drawing.
Yeah.
I'm going
back
to
to
open
this.
Pinterest.
Also, how are you doing, Arx? How's life going? Did I not add a button to this? I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. But I don't fucking know. The chests would load from the path of util.get resource. No, load resources, res, data, loot, tables, chests, T-res, chest. Invalid X resource. For base type of dictionary. What are you talking about, dude? Why are we lying to me? Why are we lying?
I love lying.
It's lying to me so much, dude. It's crazy. There? Are we good? Are you happy now? No. Invalid type resource for a base type of dictionary. So, oh, I'm stupid.
Yeah, sometimes.
There we go. So now if I hit this button, it should auto-populate the dictionary. I lied. Oh, because I have to reload script, mayhaps. Up. Well is nil. Callable as expected. Reload the whole last project, man. I don't even care at this point. Pretty good, pretty good. About to finish some education within the coming month. Nice. Anyway, just thought it'd been a while since it said does anything. Busy streaming. Yeah, it's been mainly working on the cat game. Oh, let me find the image. Where's the easiest place to find the image? Can I do a from? No, I can't do a from Bitlytic. I remember that. Because this Discord likes making their platform less usable every single time I open it up.
True.
Let me find the image of. I got something really cool to show if I can get to it really quickly. Here we go. Oh, this is a terrible image. Here we go. Here's a good image. This was the one with Toontown guy. So here's this. So we went to PAX and we had the game on a backpack with a little banner and people could play it, and that was really, really fun and cool. But yeah, it's called Dante's 9. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by and checking out though. I'm glad to hear that life is going well for you as well. What kind of like education stuff were you doing? Like, is it like, I'm assuming it's like a college or like a post? I don't even know. I don't even know what the words are. Probably like a university level, I think. I don't know what the right term for that is. Like post-secondary? Is that what that's called? I think.
I don't know.
Also, hello MadQuest over in YouTube chat. How's it going? Flesh chest table. If I hit load, does that? It doesn't do anything. What the hell? Oh, it did. It just did an update.
What the hell are you?
What the hell? Wait. Just subsea. How do I? Is it notify property list changed? Is that the right one? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that works. I wonder how doable it would be.
I'm scared.
You should be. You should 100% be scared. So I'm trying to think of how to explain this. You know how rand weighted works, right?
Sure.
Okay, so the answer is no. That's fine. I'll open up a notepad, which I don't know what it's Kate is called on Linux. So if we have like 3 items of weights 0.5, 0.25, and 0.25, the items with 0.25 have half of the chance of being like picked as like the 0.5 one does. And if we have like 3 items that are like 0.1, 0.2, and 0.2, like all it does is it takes these 3 items and it sums them up. So like the total is 0.5. And then like your chance is like whatever this value is divided by the total.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that can be really hard to like keep track of. Like let's say we wanted it to always add up to like 1. So let's say 60% chance for regular chests, 25% chance for uncommon chests. And then it's like, okay, well, how much do you add up to get to the total? That'd be like 0.15, so like 15%. And having you do math, I feel like is terrible. Like if you're like, okay, well, I want to decrease the chance of a rare loot chest.
What are you talking about?
Well, like, okay. So, I mean, these right here add up to 1. So these are like exact percentages. But if you're like, okay, well, I want the rare chest to only be 10%. And you do like, okay, well, 0.1. Then like you don't change the other numbers, it's going to be not correct because this adds up to 0.95 instead of 1.
Yeah.
But you know what always adds up to 1? Or you know what's a good visualizer of always adding up to 1?
What?
You ever heard of a gradient before?
No, you're evil. You're evil.
No, think about it. Think about it for a second. Think about it for a
you're
second.
evil.
No, think about it.
You're like
'Cause it
actually
does.
so evil.
It does, right? Like it. You can assign, if we have this set to a constant, each chest has their own color assigned to them. And if you change one, then it like adjusts the other, right?
So evil.
No, but it's right?
Oh.
Correct?
Yeah.
It automatically updates it.
I guess, bro.
So I was thinking that I could make a gradient visualizer in here that would show the like associated like chances, and then you could adjust them here, and it would adapt that while you're in the editor.
That's so messed up.
Because it adds up, right?
Yeah. It does.
See, it's like not the most like outrageous thing ever. It's just like a little really weird.
Yeah, a little bit.
You have a bachelor already. It wasn't really helping you score any work. You're trying to see if vocational stuff will help you out. I hope it does. I really do. What kind of vocational stuff are you... Excuse me. I'm assuming it's related to the IT support comment right below that. Never mind. I can use context clues.
Smart Lytic.
Yes, sir. That makes a lot of sense. Do gradients... Okay, actually, new question. Do gradients have any signals built off of them? Like, can I... Do I have a signal? Ah, man. That might not work then, actually. Well... Hold on.
Yeah. Are you okay?
does. It does. It fucking does. It fucking does. Oh my god. Hold up. I'm going evil mode. All right. Get property
can
list
hear.
for signing it. Var properties is an array of dictionary. I'll return that out. And then I will say properties dot append a new dictionary with a name gradient with a type of is it texture type resource? What do you need to be? You're not a resource, you're not a property hint resource type. I don't believe there's a property hint texture type, is there? Property hint resource type, optionally if it's specified via hint string. Yes, sir. Hint string is texture 2D. And so if I reload this, oh, that's not what the fuck I thought you should be. Why do you look like that? Property hint resource type. Oh, because you're a grade D? What? Hold on, I don't remember how properties work. Anyone know?
Nope.
Type. I know I do this elsewhere. Type float. I guess it would just be object, perhaps. Oh, I'm dumb. I see. Property and source type. Is it this? Yes, okay. So that renders, I can get rid of this export because that doesn't need to be it doesn't need to be consistent. Anyways, you're beginning heading out. Gotta watch some weeb stuff before you hit the hay. Based as fuck. What are you watching right now? What is there to watch right now, actually? I haven't caught up with any of the anime that's going on. I need to watch Dandadan season 2. I need to watch that. 'Cause I know that one's really fucking good. Spring season stacked with good shows. I'll have to check it out. I haven't watched anything seasonal. I haven't done the seasonal watches in a really long time. I wonder, when is ReZero season 3 coming out? Or 4? Season 4? Oh, did that just start airing? Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold up. Apparently that just started airing. Alright, well, I guess I'm watching seasonal anime this season. That's huge. ReZero season 3 was so good.
Biddy, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
Is there a easy way to export all of the... Actually, never mind. I don't want to do that. Because I have to name them. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
What did you want to do, though?
I wanted to see if I could export all of these into the correct 24x24 at the same time.
You can at least put them into... if you do the import sprite sheet thing that I did before, it puts them into separate frames, and you can go to each of the frames and save the individual ones. You can do a Control-Shift-S, and you can save the current frame as a PNG. Check out Yomi no Tsugai. Yomi no Tsugai. Into the Shadow Realm. Oh, you say it's by the guy that made Full Metal Alchemist? Yeah, I can see that. I just looked at the manga cover and I'm like, yeah, that looks like the same art style. I'll have to check it out. I'm gonna say it, I haven't ever watched Full Metal Alchemist, so sorry.
That's crazy.
That's one that I actually do need to watch because it's like one of those classic really good anime. You forgive me? I don't forgive myself, but I'm glad that you forgive me. How do I want this to work?
Wait, how did you do it?
What's up? Go to the layout, and then
Wait, where?
like the thing that you were in before.
Layout.
Yeah. The constraint, I believe you set the number of columns or something,
Okay.
and then you can set the number of actual columns. And then also, if you select an area, you can do source just the selection that you made, I believe. Is there a selection thing in there? I can't actually read
There
what's
isn't.
there.
There isn't.
Oh, okay. Then you should be able to do Control C, Control N, Enter, and then Control V.
But what?
Control C,
Yeah.
Control C,
Yeah.
Control N, Enter,
Enter.
Control V.
What the?
There you go.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know how to do any of that without the shortcuts. So,
You're evil.
well, it's like that. That just it does exactly what I need.
I still don't. What? Do we do like 12? No.
Let me see what I did. If there's a
I don't. Yeah, this is definitely not. Wait,
spreadsheet. Sprite borders output. Let me get what did I do? What the fuck?
Bro telling me what to do when he doesn't even know what he did.
Oh, import spreadsheet. That one. There it is.
You're evil. Okay. Okay. Sure. We'll try that. Okay, that looks more like a...
Yeah, something a little bit more usable.
Wait. Oh, nice. I just put in a random number to see if it was the right number, and it happened to be the right number. Oh, that actually makes sense.
You can also-
when the math works.
Yeah, you can also drag the blue bars and shit, but
Okay.
if you don't want to do numbers, but numbers work well. Numbers are good. They're consistent.
Yeah, I just put 8 in for the padding and just hoped that it was right, and I was right.
Anyway, bye. Good luck, good luck. Thanks for stopping by. Good luck on your seasonal anime. Or I guess non-seasonal anime as well. Whatever you're watching.
But basically, I was making a change, because I had realized that, the new sprites that I was drawing have, like, the, 2-pixel outline, or, like, the square border. You know what I'm talking about with the, when you do an outline with pixel art, you can either do it with, like, without the extra corner pixels or with.
Yeah, either a circle or a square.
Yeah.
Border. Yeah. Or softer, harder, sharper,
Yeah.
whatever the fuck you want to call it.
And I liked it better with the square, so
Really?
yeah. So I went back and
Interesting.
changed it. It just makes it a little bit thicker.
Sorry.
Hmm? Is there an issue?
Nothing. I'm being funny.
Alright.
Just like rare.
Yeah.
Very rare.
Very rare.
So I think I can do like gradient dot get. I guess point count is probably the one that I care about, right? Well, probably return 3, yeah. So let's also do this. Const colors is an array of color. So what am I doing here? I'm doing on init or update. We'll do setup gradient void if not gradient. Do that. Otherwise, I will do gradient dot set color. If this doesn't exist, does this update it? Like if I were to do set color like 10, would that give me a 10? I imagine not. Just an array? No. Fuck. How do I want to do this? Yeah, pretty much. I don't know what the hell. I'm doing some shit right now.
Yeah.
I'm kind of going to sleep and hoping, like, I'm putting my everything else to sleep, and I'm just hoping that my mind is able to just like do the rest of this for me.
True.
And so far, I am a little scared. So that's kind of cool. Okay, well, no error. Let's give this a reload completely, perhaps. That didn't seem to do what I wanted.
I accidentally outlined everything with the wrong color.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I'm fixing it. Okay, I think we're all fixed. You did say you made it so that you can spawn salmon from anywhere though, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I will make the salmon item. Yeah, I mean, it's much easier to just reuse stuff. I mean, that's something that I was thinking about in terms of like rivals items. It's like a lot of the items are just like reuse stuff from other characters, but like it's still really fun. Not everything needs to be like 100% original.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. That doesn't seem to have worked in the slightest, actually. That doesn't make sense. Am I stupid? Am I dumb? The answer may surprise you. Wait, why the fuck is this updating any of these? None of these should be... I see.
PC.
Okay, I no longer see why in the world.
I completely forgot we had the lucky cat item as well. I need to figure out what that does.
Oh my god. Wait.
Okay. I
Okay.
successfully re-exported all of the items.
You
Probably
successfully.
6-7 fully.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Hello, what do you mean it's 5 o'clock already? Hello?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get a few more items and then might wrap up because I need to practice some guitar, do some other stuff. Play Slay the Spire.
Okay.
Play the daily
True.
before it resets because I didn't play it last night.
Shit, dude. Actually, I don't know.
Was the daily
I didn't
last
play it
night
last
good?
night either. I played it.
Oh,
I
okay.
played it solo, but on the beta branch. So I don't know if that's gonna be any different.
Yeah, maybe
actually.
maybe we look and see what it is, and if it's buttons, I'll just practice guitar.
Ooh. Ooh. Ah, I understand what's happening. My Godot just crashed. I just crashed my Godot. And I know exactly what I did. Sorry.
Yeah.
My fault. Oh shit. Don't open that resource back up. Thank you. Thank you, my goats.
Oh, we actually have a lot of items, like art-wise. I didn't even notice.
Yeah. Why? It's not. Shit. That still crashed my Godot.
Is the like description BB code?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, I try to enforce BB code enabled everywhere in the game as
Okay,
much as possible.
Okay, so I want to reduce.
Oh, why can't... Are you speaking?
Hello? There we go. I accidentally tapped something, I think.
Ah,
I don't know what I
I
did.
can hear you now.
I think I accidentally tapped the thing that all of my computer parts are plugged into, or like the no, not power supply.
Oh, no.
It's okay.
Yeah, just stop messing with it.
Oh, I see. I think it's falling out of the wall slightly. Okay, I'll try to fix that later, but anyways, I want to reduce the cost of certain cards. There we go. We're back. Yeah, I need to see if I can adjust that so it won't fall out, but it's fine. You can hear me, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
unfortunately.
Hey, don't be mean.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Dude, this is insane. Can you look at this?
Give me a second. Let me look. Okay, I'm looking.
So, common, rare, and uncommon, or actually, let's find out.
Can you
Yes.
make the colors match the actual rarity colors, please?
Sure, I guess. I don't even know what the fucking colors are, actually.
You've been working on this game
peak-
for how long?
Peak autism. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know it. Sorry. Kinda.
Is that Jerry? Hi, Jerry.
Jerry Yoshikage. The goat. Hello. Sorry. Wait, can you not sort a dictionary? Am I like stupid? Oh no, you can.
Okay.
You totally can.
What is the best way to change the cost of an item or a card?
Hmm?
Like the soul cost. Is there like a property
A
for
modifier.
that? Okay, modifier. Okay.
Yeah, or a property, sorry. Property is mana cost property.
Okay, so util.
Should be, hopefully.
Add no set. Oh, wait.
You should get the property first.
Yeah. It.
Oh my god, your microphone is like dying right now. What the fuck?
Is it working?
Oh my. Maybe it's internet. Maybe it's your internet. I don't know though. Your Discord stream looks
yes.
fine.
What was?
Oh god. Sorry guys, JW's out here dying apparently.
Hello? Is this better?
Hello? Yeah,
Okay.
I think.
Hopefully. Let me check my. I think my OBS might have changed the mic input. Hold up. No, it's the right one. Okay, we're good. Is it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Everything's freezing. Oh. Okay. Very cool. But now my chat is gone. Oh, now my Discord's gone. Oh, okay. Hello?
Poking at his computer because like a part was falling out or something, and then apparently his computer just like died.
No, I'm here. Hello?
Oh no, you're here. What the hell?
I don't know what the heck just happened. Okay.
I don't know.
I tried changing my mic input and this
I think your stream ended.
did my stream end.
I don't know because it says chat is disabled for the stream. I'm
Yeah,
assuming that's your
but-
YouTube stream.
Let me check on YouTube, but it shouldn't.
Nice.
I don't have auto.
Uh-oh.
Hmm. Yeah, it just does this. Don't worry, everything's fine. Nope.